Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna check out how to buy and sell stocks on Sofi. So let's get straight into the video. The first step is to open a Sofi Invest account. So what you want to do is to download the Sofi mobile app on your mobile device, and then sign up for a Sofi Invest account. And then of course you want to fund your account with money to invest. Now the second step is to navigate to the invest section. And what you want to do is to open the mobile app and log into your account, and then tap on the invest tab, and then select stocks from the menu. Now the third step is to search for stocks. So you can use the search bar to find the stocks that you want to buy or sell, and then you can enter the stock symbol or company names to get that. And the fourth step of course is to view stock details. So what you want to do is to view the stock's current price, market data, and news. And then of course you want to analyze the stock's performance. You can use the charts and the graphs to do that. The fifth step of course is to buy the stock. So once you found the stocks that you want, you can just tap on the buy button, and then you got to enter the number of shares that you want to buy, and then confirm that purchase, and you have the stocks. Now when it comes to selling stocks, what you want to do is to go to the stocks that you have already, and then you want to tap on the sell button, and then enter the number of shares that you want to sell and confirm your sales, and just like that you'll be able to sell your stocks. Now when it comes to order types, there are three types of orders. The first of course is market order. Now you can buy or sell a stock at its current market price. The second, which is limit order, you could buy or sell a stock at a specific price. And of course the third is stop loss order, and that's where you sell a stock when it falls below a certain price. So you could use whichever one of these three order types based on what you need. Now fees and commissions, you guys take note that Sofi doesn't charge commissions for stock trades, so you don't got to worry about commissions and such. The second of course is management fees. So you got to note that Sofi charges management fees for certain investment products. So it's up to you to check which product that is, and how much Sofi charges for managing that product. Now of course there are some risk when it comes to stocks. Of course there are also some ways to manage those risks. So when it comes to risk management, the first is diversification. So you got to remember to spread out your investment across different asset classes and industries. The second is to use a stop loss order. You can use a stop loss order to limit potential losses by setting it to automatically sell once it falls to a certain price point. The third of course is position sizing. So you can manage your position size to limit potential losses. Now when it comes to resources and education, Sofi has the Sofi Learns. You can access educational resources and tutorials on investing and personal finance. So in case you are not familiar with how to invest, so Sofi Learn can help you do that. Also there's Sofi financial planners. So you could get specialized financial planning and investment advice from Sofi's financial planners. So you could always make use of that, and that's gonna save you a whole bunch of time and save you a whole bunch of money, so you don't end up taking the wrong step when it comes to investing. There are some couple of tips that you guys to note. The first is to invest for the long term. So you gotta avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. It's always good to have a strong goal in mind. So you got to set a financial investment goal for a long-term goal of course, and you got to stick to it. The second of course is to diversify your portfolio. So you got to spread your investments across different assets and asset classes and industries. So I already made that point before. So you got to make sure you diversify, spread out your money, so if anything goes wrong with one portfolio, it doesn't affect the others, so you still end up retaining a whole lot of your money. And of course the third tip is to monitor and adjust accordingly. So you got to regularly monitor your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. These are very useful tips. I hope you guys take to this and they're gonna save you a whole lot. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that saves us a whole lot. We appreciate you for that. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.